Canary. I do look at what Rose is eating. Wait a minute, she's got that thing in her hand. What is that? She's another camera. Okay, do you have more zucchini bread?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's the wrong way to butter it.
It's okay. You put it down like this. You gotta watch it cut it off. It's back at its
Any
cage.
banana?
No. You go.
Mm-hmm.
This is your dish.
He does stuff that's funny.
Yeah.
No. Even bite the other
What
one.
is it you ate?
Right here. Right here. That's yours. Go
Hold
move,
still.
Reds at first. He's never been in your head, has he?
No.
That's so funny.
He's going to lay an egg.
No, he's gonna pull your hair. He's checking out your hair.
He's checking for head lice.
Bring him back to the beans.
He's a good bird for head lice.
Smudge.
Not me.
Smudge.
What else you get from here?
You look like an angel when you fly.
Hey. Smudge.
Smudge. Yoo-hoo. Don't smudgy.
Yeah. Do it tonight.
Better not poop.
If he poops, it will land on your glasses.
I look at the camera thing. Oh, right here. Grab the whole chunk of it.
I hope he's
What's
got
he
all
doing?
the soap out.
What's he doing up there? You thinking of nesting? Oh, that's a good place to go. Up there.
He's carrying them out like. Oh.
Okay, check out his cage. Oops, it's all in there.
I don't think you can reach that, Dad. Hello. Only if you go in your arm.
It's in there.
No, you can't.
As long as he doesn't get the butter part, I think it'll be okay.
Don't like it?
No.
There's only 2 bites. No, put it down here, Dad.
It's okay, he's eating from Daddy's arm.
Does it?
Yeah, banana there too. Oh, don't fall off.
He didn't
Where's the
wait on
banana?
me yet. Marty, are you hungry?
Not the whole banana, maybe that's why he's not interested in it.
He only has a slice. Daddy looks funny.
Battery is too low.
Oh. Ah, grab at me.
Flashing battery.
Yeah, the other one's charging. It didn't charge before. Looks like it started to.
Is that cute?
What?
No, don't do that.
I like Daddy.
Oh, you're gonna hit up my shoulder now.
No, this
Walks up my shoulder.
That was cute.
Hi.
Smudgy. Smudgy. Peekaboo. Smudgy, I see you. Smudgy. Smudgy.
These are outdoors. All stuff here.
doing?
What's he doing, Rose? Fighting Daddy's hair?
Yeah,
You know,
looking all around.
No, you're not gonna pet me.
Was nice to see
good
you.
boy.
Don't say that, Rose. It's
Good
cute.
boy.
Oh, he is
Bring a
one.
hill climb here. Good boy. Oh, pick my nose.
I know.
You got a
You
dirty
get
beak.
me.
You got a dirty beak.
That's
Need
cute.
a washcloth?
A dirty beak.
Need a washcloth?
Don't forget her.
Oh, you check out my glasses?
Oh, they're different, that's why. Sure enough.
What is with your glasses?
Uh-oh. He knows,
You get them dirty?
he must know that they're different. That was,
He's smart.
oh, you were biting him. You're trying to pull him off.
Pull him off. He doesn't want to lie.
He's looking through him.
Did you look through?
Yeah, he slapped his face. Yeah, he's doing it again.
What if,
He's watching the red outside.
what if Smudge go around Daddy's glasses?
Oh.
We wouldn't be doing this if I didn't spend time with him.
Oh.
Right.
Mustache here now.
I see it. A face picker.
I don't know how they
Let him on the table.
Net in the nose.
Take your banana.
You can apply for my glasses now?
Look at this. Oh, he's watching those now. That's what she's doing with my stuff.
Not too low.
No, lay him down on the table. Lay him down on the table.
I gotta put it on the table.